Hi, I'm at the Computing Conference 2025 in London, and with me is Joonas Uusnäkki from the Aalto University in Finland. Hi.
Hi, thanks for being here. Yeah.
Nice to have you. So could you just talk us through your academic journey?
Yeah, so pretty much I started my academic journey back in 2019, just before COVID-19 hit the world. So I started my bachelor's in information systems in University of Jyväskylä, and I was fortunate enough to land a course assistant and a research assistant job at the University of Jyväskylä. So I actually did my bachelor's thesis on empirical software engineering during that time, and then I continued to be as a course assistant for a couple of courses over there, and then I landed 2 traineeships after that one, in which the latter I did my master's thesis. And from that one, we created this research paper that was actually presented here at the Computing Conference. So
right.
I'm a bit of a rookie, one would say.
I'm sure you did fine. Can you tell us about the research you presented?
Yeah, so my current research is pretty much that I'm not researching anything, but I'm actually working as a generative AI developer and application owner of Aalto AI Assistant. So I'm pretty much in the IT services of Aalto University. But we pretty much cooperate with researchers and other staff, and we provide these different large language models, or LLMs, to the researchers and staff, and also students. So that's pretty much what I work on currently. And the research that I presented here is pretty much applicable in that sense in my current work as well.
What's the biggest problem these LLMs solve?
Well, the LLMs pretty much automate your everyday task. For example, if you're a professor or a student, you can just grab your own domain of work and really input those into Aalto AI Assistant and try to analyze your everyday tasks over there. So.
Right. And have you come across a moment when something totally unexpected has happened in your research or in your work?
Well, actually, if we talk about the PSD, or the Prompt Engineering Software Development Framework, which was actually presented here at the Computing Conference, it was quite unusual, or not unusual, but unexpected, that the Code Llama model that we analyzed didn't perform that much better compared to the rest of the models in coding assignments. It actually performed worse than these standard models, which was quite unusual.
Okay, and how did that then change your approach?
Well, we pretty much tried to systematically do it all over again and see if we got something wrong in the process, but turns out we didn't. So.
Okay, so that was unexpected. Well, what's one little known fact from your research that most people would find hard to believe?
Well, at Aalto, we are only a handful of people working for the Aalto AI Assistant in the development or software development, compliance, design, and all those kind of things. And we pretty much provide this service for 12,000 students and 4,000 staff members. So it's quite unusual, I guess.
Okay, and how might your research or this assistant make a difference in the real world?
Oh yeah, so it pretty much enables people to utilize their own data safely and securely inside Aalto. We own when we own the system ourselves with on-premise servers and without leaking data to these third-party organizations, it really gives us advancements in the LLM world. For example, a student can, analyze some group work that would be confidential data inside the university versus these other market applications such as ChatGPT. So it's a huge advancement, and I don't think in Finland that any other university really provides this kind of centralized AI service to their staff and students. So I'm very proud of that.
Okay. As you should be. Any other applications you could think about, possible applications?
Well, the AI world is it's developing quite rapidly. So we will have to see how these new technologies such as MCPs or multi-agent orchestrations are coming into the Aalto's like domain. But we will see.
Okay. And is this your first time at this conference?
Oh yes.
Yeah. How are you enjoying it?
Oh, I'm loving it so far. Like I really enjoy having these like smaller conferences because you can really get to know the people and see them and chat with them like on the next day actually. And so you don't just go there and have a, I don't know, chit chat like 5 minutes with them and then never see them again. So it's quite nice. Or if there's a presentation about subject X, you can pretty much continue the conversation after that presentation in the coffee room.
Thanks very much, Joonas.
Thank you very much.
So enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.